In this video, I'll show you the easiest method how to create YouTube thumbnail using ChatGPT, and it's completely free. First, search ChatGPT and go to the ChatGPT, and you see this account is my free ChatGPT account, and I can create highly clickable thumbnail using my ChatGPT free account. If you want to see my previous thumbnails, you can see this thumbnail I have created using completely ChatGPT free account, and I will show you how to create these types of thumbnail or better quality thumbnail using ChatGPT free account. First, create a new chat, and here you will get this option, create an image. Select it, and from here you need to select the wide screen 16 by 9. And now here you need to give your prompt. So I will share the prompt in the description of this video so that you can also use exactly this prompt for you. So this is my prompt. I will use this prompt to make my thumbnail for YouTube. Here you will see there are two options. This option is for creating long form video thumbnail, and this option is for short form video thumbnail. As in this video, I am showing you how to create long form video thumbnail using AI. I will remove this portion from here. So now it's ready to go for you. Now there is a section, your video title. You need to insert your video title here. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail on how to be productive. So this one will be my video title. And here is another option for your thumbnail text. Here you need to give your thumbnail text. Let's say how I'm productive. So this one will be my thumbnail text. And here you need to select one option. There are a few options available for you. The first option is for cinematic type thumbnail, cartoon type thumbnail, bold vector type thumbnail. I want to get my thumbnail in cinematic type. So I need to remove other portion, and I'm keeping only my thumbnail style as cinematic. And here you can give your color code. I don't want to give my color code here, so I am removing it. And now everything is perfect. Create a 1280 by 720 YouTube thumbnail image for a video title. Here is your title, how to be productive. The image should be vibrant, high contrast, and visually striking. Include bold, short, readable text saying how I am productive. So this one will be your thumbnail text. Use a cinematic style and make it highly clickable for viewers. And now add your image. If you want to add your own image here, you need to attach your image with this prompt. I'm attaching my clear headshot image here. So I'm uploading my image. So this image I want to use on my thumbnail. I have attached my image with it. And now click here and let's see what happens. So it is generating my thumbnail for me. I need to wait a couple of minutes. So you can also create highly clickable thumbnail using this simple prompt here. And this is my completely free ChatGPT account. You don't need to subscribe to anywhere. And even you don't need to have graphic designing skill as well. Just wait and see. So this is my thumbnail, my final result. See how attractive this thumbnail is. This is very simple. This way you can create any types of highly clickable thumbnail for you. I will give the thumbnail prompt in the description and comment. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestions for making any videos for you, just throw a comment below. I will read and reply your comment. Thank you so much.